This is the final video to solve the Moonlight RTSP Handshake failed error 60 on iOS Cellular. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve the Moonlight RTSP Handshake failed error 60 on iOS Cellular, and I am going to share them with you. Method 1 addresses potential network instability by ensuring your Tailscale tunnel is optimized. The RTSP handshake requires a consistent and stable connection, and a fragmented or congested Tailscale tunnel can interrupt this process, leading to error 60. By resetting and re-establishing the Tailscale connection, we create a clean, direct pathway that minimizes packet loss and latency, thus allowing the handshake to complete successfully. Method 2 focuses on the specific handshake protocol by clearing the Moonlight app's cache. This error often stems from corrupted temporary data or outdated handshake parameters stored within the app. Clearing this cache forces Moonlight to re-initiate the handshake process with fresh, current data, effectively resolving any conflicts or corruptions that were preventing a successful connection. Method 3 targets the underlying cellular data configuration. Error 60 on Cellular can indicate a restriction or misconfiguration in how the app is allowed to use cellular data for persistent connections like RTSP. Adjusting cellular data settings for both Moonlight and Tailscale ensures they have the necessary permissions and bandwidth allocation to maintain the handshake, preventing interruptions. Method 4 involves a system-level solution by restarting your iOS device. This is a fundamental troubleshooting step that resolves many transient software glitches and memory issues that could be interfering with the network stack or the application's ability to establish a stable connection. A fresh boot of the operating system clears out any background processes that might be hogging resources or causing conflicts, thereby providing a clean slate for the RTSP handshake to occur without interference.